In this video, you're going to learn how to respond to comments on your YouTube videos in bulk and also how to put some settings in place so you can reduce the comment spam on your channel. So there are two places where you can respond to comments underneath or on your videos, and one is right underneath your videos on the actual watch page. So if you scroll down, you can see the comments from viewers here. You can just click reply to respond to them. You can say something like, great to hear your positive feedback. You might often get questions that you can ask. And oftentimes there are some very good questions, some interesting questions that you might want to move to the top of the comments so other people see them. And you can do that by simply clicking on these three dots on the side here, click on pin. And now this comment will appear at the top of your comments section. This is great when people scroll down just from watching the video. If there's a great question here, positive feedback, or something interesting, it can be good to pin that. Or you might be getting a common question and you can just pin your answer to the top. So that's a useful feature, that pin feature. You can reply to comments, just simply give it a thumbs up, just to show that you are paying attention to what people are saying. And you don't have to reply to every comment, but it is good to reply to one or two comments just to show people that you are looking at what they are saying, and that encourages more people to comment, to ask questions, and that's especially good to do if you've asked people to comment. Remember, commenting again is a signal that YouTube will look at in terms of ranking your videos. Are people engaging? It's one of the signals that they will look at. So responding underneath the video is a great way to do it. However, once you've got a number of different videos, you can imagine it can be quite hard to respond to them all. So thankfully, YouTube have a dashboard where you can respond to all comments. And to access it, you want to click on your icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on Creator Studio, and then come down and click on Community here. And it's in this first dashboard comments where you can really respond to the comments. You'll see in here that there are the comments and the videos that they relate to. You can give them a thumbs up, reply directly here. You can also report spam, or you can block a commenter if it is someone who's continually adding comments that are unhelpful or negative, etc. Now, another great thing that you can do as well as responding to comments here is set up some rules to reduce comment spam. So if you come down into community settings, you can paste in some moderators to help with your comments as well. But more importantly, and what I want to show you here is that you can block links. This is a very handy feature, and it definitely reduces the huge amount of spam on channels. So really what it is it puts a filter into place that any new comments will be held for review if they have a hashtag or URL in them. So if you come down into your comment section, held for review, you're going to see really all the comments here that have those links, and you can then select them. You're going to get something like this where you can tick, 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 and you can either report them as spam, remove them, or setting to set up. It can reduce a huge amount of comment spam on your channel and really keep that comment section of your videos a useful resource for people where it's not getting overrun with other people promoting their channels or websites. It's actually a list of helpful questions or positive feedback or something that is useful to people watching the videos. So now it's your turn. Come into the Creator Studio and under the community section, and you can monitor those comments or set up those settings to really reduce your comment spam.